A leading Chinese drone maker is changing the game on goods deliveries to remote locations. Their drones are now operating on Mount Everest. From delivering cargo to helping clear trash, China is leading the game of drones amid the most challenging conditions. The Chinese drone maker we're talking about, the DJI, is in the process of carrying out drone delivery tests on Mount Everest. The DJI Flycart 30, it's a long-distance heavy lifter drone that's been flight tested on Mount Everest. It can fly at a height of more than 6,000 meters or 19,600 feet and can carry 30 kg loads. Even with a full load, it can fly up to 16 kilometers. Equipped with 8 propellers, the drone carried oxygen tanks weighing 15 kgs from the Everest Base Camp to Everest Camp 1. According to the firm, the drone is tested to operate in hostile weather from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. And to top it all, it can fly at a speed of 72 kilometers per hour. Drone maker DJI recently announced the successful trials completed on Mount Everest. The drone flew to an altitude of 6,000 meters to deliver its payload. On its return journey, the drone brought back 15 kilograms of trash. Theoretically, helicopters are capable of operating in such regions, but the cost and risks that are involved are manifold. Drones offer various advantages, that's rapid deployment, use case in emergency scenarios, and live video streaming. In the long run, both DJI and the Nepali authorities feel that these battery-powered drones could lessen the burden of the Sherpa community. Besides cleaning up the mountain that's got the moniker world's highest garbage dump, DJI says its Flycart 30 has also been used to plant saplings in Japan, support a mountain fire rescue in Norway, conduct research in Antarctica, and install solar panels in Mexico. However, many have raised concerns about the potential military use of these drones. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.